In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Calendar from Otter.ai in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you want Otter to stay in sync with your meetings, help you organize your schedule, and make it easier to manage your notes and recordings in one place. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and sign in to your Author.ai account. Once you're inside Otter, look at the left-hand menu and click on Integrations. This is where Otter keeps all of its connections to other apps and services, including calendar tools. After the integrations page loads, find the calendar option and click Connect next to it. Otter will now ask you to choose the Google account that is linked to the calendar you want to connect. Select the correct Gmail account from the list so Otter can sync with the right calendar. Next, you'll see a permission screen from Google. This is the part where you allow Otter to access your calendar data, so read the prompts carefully and then click Allow or Authorize to continue. Once access has been approved, Otter will finish connecting to your Google Calendar automatically. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now connected to Otter.ai. You can now use that connection to help keep your meetings organized and make your workflow a lot smoother. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.